see. Do you have a scissor bite? Whoops. What are you going to do, some pillow and cushion licking? You got the cutest feet, Himeko. All right, let's go to the other side. You're so cute. You got beautiful fur, too. Look, Kubi's in the background. Yeah, she has perfect little feet. Is that your girlfriend? Boy, he used to be a baby. He used to be smaller than her. He was so tiny. Well, he was never really tiny, but he was smaller than her when I got him. He was only 8.5 weeks. Now he's 2.5. He's a monster. He's still gonna bulk up until he's 3. Right, sweetie? She just doesn't like me videoing her. This is her favorite spot. I have these storage containers all over the place because I really don't want him on the couch. I want them on the couch. So, because one time he went on the couch and then he jumped over the other side. I don't want him to get hurt. Oh, she could sit there. Little Miss Prissy. It's funny because he never goes on this chair. It's like her chair. And then with regard to this particular bed, I have beds all over the place, but this particular one she likes to go on. It's like hers, and he never goes on there ever. But he was jumping on the windowsill here, and I just don't want them falling off, so I put more containers. Look how cute you are. You're so cute. You're cute too, Tadashi. Your mommy's good. Look at that paw. Now you have a different toy? Okay. All right. If I could flip the camera. Don't know how to do that, Tadashi. Okay. I'll just end it then. It's the same toy. How do you find joy in chewing it? Huh? What's so good about that?